Hello out there to you. In this video, we've got an AP micro practice problem, and it deals with monopoly. So we know that because we see the marginal revenue is inside the demand curve there, which is really a straight line because this is a linear demand, but we still call it a curve. It's just a convention that we have, okay? And it tells you that this is a profit maximizing monopolist. Okay, and so that has a specific meaning. Anytime you see that, you want to recognize that that means they're going to produce to the quantity where marginal revenue equals marginal cost. Okay, and so we need to find that point. Okay, so here's our marginal revenue curve, and here's our marginal cost curve. We're going to go to where they cross, which is right here. Okay, and so that quantity is 30. So that gives us the quantity where this monopoly is going to produce, because that's the most profit that they can earn. Okay, the price charged. So what you want to ask yourself is, what's the highest price I can charge and sell those 30 units? So we follow that up to the demand curve because that's what it tells us, and then this is 8. Okay, the marginal cost at 30 units is just where the marginal cost crossed it. It's right there. It's 4. In some classes they'll call that the markup between marginal cost and demand, and that's what causes this. This is the dead weight loss right here. Okay, this question isn't asking that, but this is the amount of inefficiency that we see in this market. Then the maximum possible profit that this firm can earn per day. You have two options to figure this out. We often use pi for profit. So way number one, you can take price minus the average total cost. So this is the amount of profit you make per unit. And then we're going to multiply that by the number of units that we sell for. Okay. The other way to do it would be to calculate total revenue and then subtract total cost. Okay. Total revenue being price times quantity, and total cost found by multiplying average total cost by the quantity. Okay. So the first way, faster way, is let's take 8 minus, follow this down here, this is where the average total cost curve is. You can see that. If I could draw that straight, which I can't, that is 8 minus 6, so that's 2. We're going to multiply that by 30 units, so we get a profit of $60. That is the answer. The other way to do it is to take total revenue, so it'd be 8 times 30. 8 times 30. This would be $240. And then average total cost is 6 times 30. This is $180. Difference there is still $60, and that's how to do that. If you needed to shade the profit area, it's going to be this rectangle right there, and the area of that rectangle is what we just calculated. Have a great day.